Hey guys, this is Lance the Option Teacher. You're going to see me on both sides of the screen because I recorded this for the SRX members. Did a few really good trades today. You're going to see the recording that I made for members. Let's get right to it. 3.18. Hey guys, I took this QQQ put to break in resistance a little bit after the alert. Took it in at 3.12. Then I have my active trader on 3.18. Looking for a depth to the S3 level. 0.32. What I'm going to do is close it here. 3.12 stop. Just leave it on. And let's see what happens. How we going, guys? Alright, enough of the double face here. Here are a few of the other trades that I took. As you can see, I made that video with members. Try to record it as it actually comes up. This is another one I took where we had 3 puts at 2.35 and a break in resistance off QQQ. And then I closed 2 of them at 2.71 right after the big drop on the break in resistance. Closed the last one at 2.64. I think my trade log got cut off there on the last one, but you can see 2.35, close at 2.71. I have another one on TOS. This was a QQQ at 936, 2.62, bought, sold it at 3.15. This was only 20 seconds. So as you go to the minute chart on this, because if you look at the 5-minute chart, it would have been difficult to figure out what actually happened here, but you can see EMA ups. This was about, I think, a 3-minute candle. Entered in at 2.62, 3.15. I couldn't even get it into the minute candle here because it happened so fast. So there were plenty of good SRX levels today. You can see plenty of EMA ups right at the QQQ here in the 5-minute. If you'd have taken any of these trades, you would have went from 594, only 599, and then did level off. You probably would have got out there. But then we had a big jump up from 599 to 607 near the end of the day. If you look at SPY, another similar big jump. Right near the 10 o'clock, could have taken any of these EMAs. This is a 3-minute chart. You go to a 5-minute. So in the 5-minute chart, we had a really strong EMA at the 910. The break in resistance went from 672 up to 675 in about 15 minutes. So that could be a 100% gain as well. Last thing, we will be joining live with Phil, me, and Russell. I'm going to talk more about the levels. You'll learn quite a bit about how the levels work if you're a current member. If you are considering SRX, be glad to see what this is about. You could ask any questions for us. And we're going to be giving some possible deals. So look forward to seeing you guys. The link is in the description down below this video. It'll be Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So look forward to seeing you guys there on Wednesday, and have a good one.